What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we have something a little different. We're not doing the typical vinyl wraps. We have our buddy coming by with his G35 and we're going to be doing a test pipe install on that. So we'll go ahead, we'll do a little before and after, kind of give you guys a little sound difference and yeah. Alright guys, so this is the G35 we have. Here's a little before shot. We're going to be installing these catless down pipes. Okay guys, we got the car in the air. Currently just going to get these bolts down on the cats, hooking up to the Y pipe. And then you can see we've got these bolts on the top. Alright, so we got the bottom bolts out. We're just gonna go ahead and get the ones at the top of the motor. I don't know if you guys can even see this. There's gonna be 3 bolts. We got one of them out from the bottom, the other 2 we're gonna have to access from the top. This camera's not even picking it up. I'll zoom in. Yeah, it's not seeing nothing. But just trust us, there's 2 bolts down there. I believe they're 14 mil. So you're just gonna wanna get a long extension, almost like this. And you're just gonna wedge it down and then start torquing. Alright, so this is what it looks like now. We have both these bottom bolts out along with all of the top ones. We have these O2 sensors hanging down. Only problem we're running into is on this transmission mount. These bolts are a little bit rusted, so we're gonna have to extract those guys. We're just having some issue getting the down pipes off. I have to torque down a bit. There she comes. Just like that. One's out. Okay guys, a little comparison. We got the OEMs versus these catless. O2 sensors swapped over onto the new test pipes. We're just gonna go ahead, fit them with the brand new gaskets, and then get them fitted up. And we should be able to get a sound start in the next 30 minutes or so. Alright guys, car's back on the ground. You can see there's the original cats right here. Pretty simple, not too many hiccups. The only thing we had to do is heat off the O2 sensors off the original cats. They were pretty seized on. But once we got those guys off, it was pretty smooth sailing. Okay guys, we're gonna go ahead, get a little startup after with the test pipes installed. There we go. As you can see, already a nice deeper tone. Alright guys, we're just going to back the car out. We're going to go for a little drive and get some nice clips. Alright guys, we're just going to back the car out. We're going to go for a little drive and get some nice clips. Alright guys, we're just going to back the car out. We're going to go for a little drive and get some nice clips. Alright guys, we're just going to back the car out. We're going to go for a little drive and get some nice clips. Alright guys, we're just going to back the car out. We're going to go for a little drive and get some nice clips. Alright guys, we're just going to back the car out. We're going to go for a little drive and get some nice clips. Alright guys, we're just going to back the car out. We're going to go for a little drive and get some nice clips. Alright guys, we're just going to back the car out. We're going to go for a little drive and get some nice clips. Alright guys, we're just going to back the car out. We're going to go for a little drive and get some nice clips. Alright guys, we're just going to back the car out. We're going to go for a little drive and get some nice clips. Alright guys, we're